Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk through the simple steps to remove chats from folders on Telegram web using your PC. If you've been organizing your conversations into folders and need to tidy up, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Telegram web in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see your chat folders listed at the top. Hover over the folder you want to edit, then right-click on it. A menu will pop up. Select Edit Folder from the options. This opens the folder's settings, where you can manage which chats are included. To remove specific conversations, click the Add Chats button. Here, you'll see a list of all the chats currently in the folder. Each one will have a checkbox next to it. Simply uncheck the chats you no longer want in this folder. Take your time to review the list. Maybe you've archived old group discussions or no longer need a bot cluttering the space. Once you've unchecked the relevant chats, click Save at the bottom of the screen. Telegram will update the folder instantly, removing the chats you deselected. Don't worry, this doesn't delete the chats themselves. They'll still be accessible in your All Chats section. And that's it. You've successfully streamlined your folder on Telegram web. Repeat these steps for any other folders you'd like to adjust. Keeping your chats organized ensures you can focus on what matters most, whether it's work projects, family updates, or hobby groups. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. For more tips on mastering Telegram's features, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.